Oo, burpees ko po. One bag, baka mamaya hindi 50 kilogram. Hi! Konstante?
Silang anak.
Hanggang buwag bakit? Ay, sus, ang tukbang baby ko. I love you. Going back home kasi madami din akong work there. Going out to see my friend. My friend's not yet here. Pa siya kasi wala pa yung kanyang car. But we'll go ahead. Dito na siya. Kakapark niya lang. Hi sis! Kailangan ng travel sis. Kaya nga kaya.
Manok?
What's that?
Di manok yung bisa.
Fetching Mel, no? As an independent girly, syempre, ang dami-daming dala-dala. Oo nga eh. Napano si Andy? Hello!
Hindi nakilala.
From a distance, he's playing the song I've been singing. Arriving at 5:20 a.m.
Okay. So, sagot ha. Ayos na.
Thank you for your music. You were searching it pala?
Ha? Sweetest thing.
Come on, let's plan our travel. Good night, everyone.